Episode, I am deep diving headfirst into the thrilling world of product discovery. So, buckle up because I'm here to unleash some serious knowledge bombs. So, to create a killer product, you've got to get inside your user's head. I'm talking about deep diving into the hopes, dreams, and frustrations. You need to understand what makes them tick, what makes them up at night, and solutions they are currently using. It's all about building empathy and truly getting to know your current audience. Alright, now it's time to crank up the creativity dial to 11. Gather your dream team, throw some wild ideas on the table, and let the sparks fly. No idea is too crazy or too outlandish at this stage. Get some creative juices flowing with mind bending brainstorm sessions, unconventional thinking exercises, and even borrowing inspiration from unexpected places. Let's bring some serious innovation onto the table. So step 3 is putting your ideas to test. So hold up, folks, we are not there yet. It's time to separate the game changers from the duds. How do you do that? By putting your ideas through the ultimate gauntlet of validation. Get out there and test those babies. Prototype like a maniac, grab some willing guinea pigs for user testing, and even throw in some audacious experiments. Gather feedback, crunch the data, and let it guide you through your dream to greatness and your dream to success. Remember, it's all about refining, iterating, and making those smart moves. So, there you have it, my friends, the electrifying journey of product discovery. By understanding your users, unlocking your creative superpowers, and putting your ideas to the test, you are now onto the fast track of creating products that will blow others' minds. This has been a very interesting area for me over the last few months, and what I really want to do next is talk about 5 ways in which you can do product discovery, and which might give you drastic results which you would have never imagined in the past. So here are 5 quirky ways for you to approach product discovery, along with examples of real-world startups, tools, and execution tips. First, hackathons for inspiration. Startups like Airbnb have embraced hackathons to spur creativity and fuel product discovery. So gather your team and set aside some dedicated time for a hackathon where participants brainstorm, prototype, and present new ideas. Encourage cross-functional collaboration and provide resources like design and development tools to bring those concepts to life. For example, in 2017, Airbnb organized a hackathon that led to the creation of their experiences feature, which expanded the platform beyond accommodations to offer unique local activities. There's some tools which you can use for product discovery. Tools like Figma for design, InVision, or even Sketch. These tools will help you with rapid prototyping, while collaboration tools like Slack or Trello will keep your teams connected during the hackathon. From an execution perspective, set clear goals and challenge participants to come up with innovative ideas within a limited time frame, encouraging them to think outside the box. Number 2, user generated content contests. So tap into the creativity of your user community by hosting user generated content contests. Encourage users to submit their ideas, designs, or solutions related to your product or industry. This approach not only sparks engagement but also provides valuable insights and potential product enhancements. For example, Lego Ideas is a platform where users can submit their own Lego designs, and if they gather enough support from the community, they have a chance to become official Lego products. You can use different tools, for example, create dedicated landing pages using social media platforms for promotion, and leverage survey tools like Tapform or Google Forms to collect and validate user submissions. In fact, you can also use new age AI tools to collect this information from users. And from an execution perspective, define clear submission guidelines, promote the context through various channels, and reward participants with incentives like prizes, recognition, or early access to new features. The third step to product discovery is unconventional user research. What do I mean by that? Well, sometimes traditional user research methods might not reveal the full story. Consider unconventional approaches like guerrilla research or shadowing to gain deeper insights. In fact, you can also use a lot of new age AI tools also for your user research tactics. Overall, this involves observing the users in their natural environment or engaging with them in unexpected ways, such as conducting interviews while taking a walk or observing their behaviors during specific activities on the laptops or on the mobile phones. For example, Warby Parker and eyewear startup used guerrilla research by setting up pop-up shops in different cities, allowing them to observe and gather insights directly from potential customers. Now you can use a lot of tools, which includes mobile devices on the go to note-taking tools like capturing quick videos or photos, and also there are platforms like user testing which can facilitate your remote user research. In terms of execution, plan and prepare well in advance, define specific research goals, and be open to unexpected findings that might challenge your assumptions. The fourth way to conduct product discovery is data mining and serendipity. Leverage data analytics and machine learning algorithms to uncover hidden patterns and unexpected insights. By exploring large data sets, you might stumble upon valuable nuggets of information that spark new creative ideas or reveal untapped opportunities. For example, Spotify's Discover Weekly personalized playlists are created using data mining techniques that analyze user listening habits to suggest new songs and artists. And you can use a variety of tools for this kind of analysis. You can use data analytics platforms like Google Analytics, Mixpanel, or Tableau for data exploration and visualization, and machine learning tools like Python libraries or cloud-based platforms like Azure ML or AWS SageMaker, which can help you build predictive models. Now, from an execution perspective, you need to really define relative metrics to track. You have to invest in data infrastructure and collaborate with data scientists or analysts to extract meaningful information. The fifth product discovery approach is to use gamified idea generation. So inject some fun into the product discovery process by gamifying the idea generation sessions. For example, use game mechanics like points, challenges, or leaderboards to engage participants and foster a competitive spirit. This approach encourages creativity and active participation, leading to a broader range of ideas. For example, Slack, which we all of us use, organized an internal hackathon called Hack Week that combined elements of gamification to encourage employees to create innovative features and improvements. Obviously, you can use a lot of different tools like Kahoot, Quiz, or Gametize to gamify idea generation sessions. Collaborative platforms like Mural and Miro can also facilitate your virtual brainstorming. From an execution perspective, for this idea, you have to define clear rules, set specific challenges or themes, and encourage collaboration among participants. You have to provide them rewards or recognition for top contributors to motivate innovation. So overall, remember, while these approaches might find quirky and fun, they should still align with your overall product strategy and goals. So adapt them to fit your specific context and team dynamics and industry to unlock fresh insights and drive innovation in your product discovery process. So today I'm going to talk about 5 famous examples of product discovery that have made a significant impact on the world. So get ready to be inspired by these remarkable stories. My first example takes us back into the early days of smartphones. Picture this: Steve Jobs standing on a stage unveiling the iPhone in 2007. This groundbreaking product transformed the mobile industry by combining a sleek design, intuitive user interface, and powerful features into a single device. Apple's product discovery journey involved extensive user research, technological advancements, and a solid vision that changed the way we interact with technology forever. Now let's fast forward to the world of ride sharing. Our setting example showcases the birth of Uber. In 2008, founders Travis Kalanick and Garrett Camp identified a pain point: getting a reliable ride in bus cities. By leveraging technology, they developed a platform that allowed people to request rides within few taps on their smartphone. Uber's product discovery involved understanding their users, navigating regulatory challenges, and continuously iterating to improve the overall experience. Now, our third example revolves around the birth of Instagram. Back in 2010, Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger set out to create a platform where people could easily share their moments through captivating photos. So, product discovery, they identified the need for simplicity, beautiful filters, and a strong social component. Instagram's success stems from their ability to understand user behavior, delivering a delightful experience and adapting to the evolving needs of the community. It's no wonder that Facebook acquired them for a huge amount because they was facing stiff competition with Instagram at that point of time. So the fourth example I really want to talk about is Amazon. So Jeff Bezos had a vision to create the everything store. Through relentless product discovery, Amazon expanded into offerings from books to a vast variety of products and services. The success lies in understanding customer preferences, leveraging data analytics, and continuously experimenting with new features and delivery methods. Amazon's product discovery journey has shaped the modern retail landscape and revolutionized how we shop online. And the final example I want to talk in this particular episode is in the area of streaming entertainment. In 2007, Reed Hastings and his team at Netflix recognized a shift in how people consumed movies and TV shows. They transitioned from a DVD rental service into a streaming platform, investing heavily in content creation and personalized algorithms. Netflix's product discovery journey involved data driven insights, experimentation, and staying ahead of the curve in the ever evolving entertainment landscape. So, there you have it, five famous examples of product discovery that have shaped industries and captivated audiences. From the revolutionary iPhone to the disruptive power of Uber and Lyft to Instagram's visual revolution to Amazon's retail empire and the streaming revolution led by Netflix, these stories inspire us to push the boundaries and innovate. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. This quote highlights the importance of listening to customer feedback, even when it may seem negative. By understanding and addressing the pain points of unhappy customers, we can learn and improve our products. Innovation is not about saying yes to everything, it's about saying no to all but the most crucial features. This quote emphasizes the importance of focusing on essential features and avoiding feature overload. Prioritizing and saying no to non essential elements allows us to deliver a more focused and valuable product. Ideas are cheap, execution is everything. This quote highlights that coming up with ideas is just the beginning. What truly matters is the execution of those ideas. Taking action, iterating, and refining is the way to success. The only way to learn is to learn faster than anyone else out there. This quote emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and development. By embracing a culture of learning and adapting quickly, startups can stay ahead of the competition and increase the chances of success. It's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen. This quote emphasizes the importance of execution and why it is an important and vital factor in product discovery. Ideas alone are not enough. They need to be transformed into action and brought to life to create a meaningful product. Remember that discovery is not a destination, it's an ongoing journey of uncovering hidden opportunities and creating remarkable solutions. As an early stage startup, embrace the mindset that product discovery is not a one time event but a continuous process. Be relentless in exploring new possibilities, understanding user needs, and adapting your product to deliver exceptional customer value. The journey of discovery holds the key to unlocking untapped potential and paving the way for your startup's success. Keep exploring, keep iterating, and let your curiosity guide you to uncover the next big breakthrough. Product discovery is the art of seeing what others don't, imagining what could be, and bringing it to life in ways that leave the world forever changed. As an early stage startup, you have the opportunity to approach product discovery with fresh eyes and a unique perspective. Embrace the mindset of seeing beyond the surface, envisioning possibilities that others may overlook. Let your creativity and imagination run wild as you dream up solutions that have the power to revolutionize industries and solve pressing problems. Embrace the audacity to challenge the status quo and create a product that leaves a lasting impact on the world. Embrace your role as a visionary and let your passion fuel your journey of product discovery and set a benchmark for the industry and for the world.